You're watching something rare, but not because it should be. Different jets with different missions, but one thing in common. The hands on the controls belong to women who are rewriting the story of military aircraft. This isn't about showing off, it's about showing up and doing the job. These women aren't here to prove anything. They've already earned their place through training, repetition, and focus. Whether it's pre-flight checks on the T-38 or full-speed formation flights with the Blue Angels, every move is calculated. Every signal matters. And behind each moment is a pilot who's trusted to lead. Whether it's soaring in sleek black jets or pulling tight maneuvers in FA-18s, it's all about control, calm, and precision. Elsewhere, a different jet, different colors, but the same level of trust. When Amanda Lee steps into an FA-18, she's not defined by headlines. She's defined by hours in simulators, years of discipline, and a calm that only comes from mastery. The roar of the engines isn't the story. Her presence in that cockpit is. And here's what no one tells you. The sky doesn't care who you are. Jet engines respond to physics, not expectations. Every checklist, every control input, every decision, it's about precision, not publicity. What unites these aviators isn't gender, it's mindset. Their confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to be. It's earned, hour by hour, flight by flight. So what are you really watching? Not a tribute, not a spotlight moment. You're seeing what happens when professionalism meets persistence. When people show up, ready, again and again, to fly with focus. If this kind of story matters to you, hit subscribe. We're not chasing views. We're sharing real stories from the flight line to the sky. Because sometimes the most powerful things don't make the most noise.